Fasting is not just a physical cleanse but a profound way to align with your higher self. Neville Goddard. Do you know? Fasting has been practiced for thousands of years, often associated with spiritual growth, mental clarity, and physical health. It's more than just abstaining from food, it's a transformative process that invites deeper connection with oneself and one's higher self. Yet, as you begin on this journey, there are critical aspects to keep in mind to ensure that your fasting experience is both enriching and effective. Understanding these can make the difference between a profound, uplifting experience and a missed opportunity for deeper growth. To begin, it's essential to grasp why fasting can be such a powerful tool for connecting with your higher self. Fasting creates a space of clarity and stillness, both physically and mentally. When you refrain from consuming food, you free up energy that would otherwise be used for digestion, which allows your body and mind to focus on other processes. This energy shift can enhance your awareness, making it easier to listen to your inner voice and align with your true self. This connection happens because fasting often leads to a heightened sense of self-awareness. As your body adjusts to the absence of food, you may experience a deeper sense of presence and a clearer perspective on your desires and intentions. This clarity is the fertile ground from which your higher self can emerge, guiding you toward more authentic choices and behaviors. Despite the potential benefits of fasting, certain missteps can detract from your experience and hinder your connection with your higher self. To fully benefit from fasting, it's crucial to avoid two particular practices: succumbing to negative thoughts and overloading your mind with distractions. Fasting can sometimes bring to the surface unresolved emotions or negative thought patterns. This is a natural part of the process as your body and mind detoxify. However, it's vital to handle these negative thoughts constructively. Allowing yourself to be overwhelmed by negativity during a fast can cloud your ability to connect with your higher self. Instead, use this period as an opportunity to confront and release these negative thoughts. When negative thoughts arise, it's beneficial to approach them with compassion rather than judgment. Recognize that these thoughts are part of the cleansing process and are not a reflection of your true self. Practice mindfulness techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or journaling to address and release these thoughts. By doing so, you create a more open and receptive space for your higher self to emerge. In our modern world, it's easy to become inundated with distractions, whether it's the constant barrage of notifications on your phone, the endless stream of social media, or the noise of everyday life. While fasting, it's especially important to limit these distractions. Engaging in too many activities or surrounding yourself with external noise can prevent you from fully experiencing the introspective benefits of fasting. Create a serene environment that supports your fasting goals. This might involve setting aside specific times for quiet reflection, engaging in gentle activities that promote mindfulness, or simply taking breaks from technology in busy schedules. By reducing the noise and focusing on internal experiences, you allow yourself to tap into a deeper level of consciousness and connect more meaningfully with your higher self. Your intention behind fasting can greatly influence your experience. Approach fasting with a clear purpose, whether it's for spiritual growth, self-discipline, or physical health. A well-defined intention sets the stage for a more focused and purposeful experience. Before beginning your fast, take some time to reflect on why you're undertaking this practice. Set positive, affirming goals that resonate with your higher self. This intention can serve as a guiding light, helping you navigate the challenges and opportunities that arise during your fasting period. Note, fasting is not just about abstaining from food but about cultivating a deeper connection with yourself and your higher self. While fasting, self-care becomes even more critical. Ensure that you're taking care of your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Listen to your body and give it the rest it needs. Stay hydrated, and if you feel weak or unwell, it's important to reassess your fasting approach. Fasting should enhance your well-being, not compromise it. In addition to physical self-care, nurture your emotional and mental health. Engage in practices that uplift and support you, such as positive affirmations, creative expression, or spending time in nature. These activities can help maintain balance and keep you aligned with your higher self. Fasting has a profound spiritual dimension that can be deeply enriching. It's an opportunity to disconnect from the material world and connect with a higher plane of existence. Think of this spiritual aspect by incorporating practices that resonate with your beliefs and values. This might include prayer, meditation, or spiritual study. Allow yourself to explore and deepen your spiritual practices during your fast. This can enhance your connection with your higher self and provide valuable insights and guidance. Approach fasting as a sacred time of introspection and growth, rather than just a physical challenge. Once your fasting period concludes, reflect on your experience and the insights you've gained. Consider how you can integrate the lessons learned into your daily life. Fasting is not just a temporary practice but a step towards ongoing personal and spiritual development. Evaluate how your connection with your higher self has evolved and how you can continue to nurture this relationship. Carry forward the clarity and self-awareness you've gained and apply it to your everyday decisions and interactions. Incorporating the principles and insights gained from fasting into your daily life can lead to lasting transformation and a deeper sense of alignment with your higher self. Note, fasting is just one tool among many in your journey of self-discovery and growth. Continuing on the topic of fasting and its impact on connecting with your higher self, it's crucial to understand that this practice involves more than just abstaining from food. It's about creating a space where you can foster a deeper connection with your inner self and gain insight into your true desires and intentions. This space can be incredibly valuable for personal growth and self-awareness. One important aspect of fasting is the ability it provides to observe your thoughts and feelings without the usual distractions. By eliminating the usual routines associated with eating, you open up a window into how your mind operates. This self-observation can be enlightening, revealing patterns and habits that may otherwise go unnoticed. Recognizing these patterns is the first step toward making meaningful changes in your life. It's also beneficial to use this time to set aside moments for quiet contemplation or reflection. This could involve journaling your thoughts, setting intentions, or simply sitting in silence. Such practices can help you gain clarity and perspective on what truly matters to you. This period of introspection allows you to realign with your goals and aspirations, providing a fresh perspective on your path forward. Another important factor is the role of self-discipline during fasting. This practice often requires a degree of mental fortitude, which can help strengthen your resolve and focus. The discipline developed through fasting can translate into other areas of your life, fostering a sense of control and purpose. This strengthened discipline can enhance your ability to stay committed to your goals and aspirations, whether they are personal, professional, or spiritual. Moreover, fasting can serve as a reminder of the importance of balance. It's easy to get caught up in daily routines and responsibilities, but fasting encourages a reassessment of priorities. This practice can highlight areas of your life that may need adjustment or improvement. It's an opportunity to recalibrate and focus on what truly contributes to your well-being and happiness. It's also worth noting the potential for fasting to deepen your spiritual practice. Whether you engage in meditation, prayer, or other spiritual activities, fasting can amplify these practices by providing a clearer mind and a more focused spirit. This can lead to a more profound spiritual experience and a stronger connection with your inner self. Lastly, consider integrating the insights gained from fasting into your daily life. The lessons learned during this time can offer valuable guidance as you navigate your daily routines and challenges. By applying these insights, you can make more informed and aligned choices, further enhancing your connection with your higher self and contributing to your overall personal growth. In summary, fasting is more than a physical practice, it's a holistic approach to self-discovery and personal development. By thinking about the process with an open mind and a willingness to reflect, you can unlock valuable insights and experiences that contribute to a deeper understanding of yourself and your path. Your journey with fasting can lead to lasting benefits and a more profound connection with your higher self, enriching your life in meaningful ways. Fasting can be a powerful way to connect with your higher self, but it's essential to approach it with mindfulness and intention. Avoiding negative thought patterns and minimizing distractions will help you make the most of this experience. Note to care for yourself physically, emotionally, and spiritually throughout the process. By doing so, you can enhance your connection with your higher self and unlock deeper levels of personal growth and understanding. As you navigate the world of fasting and its profound connection to your higher self, it's essential to stay mindful of the practices that can either enhance or detract from your experience. By steering clear of negative thought patterns and excessive distractions, you pave the way for a clearer and more meaningful connection with your true self. Fasting is not merely a physical exercise but an opportunity for deep personal growth and self-discovery. Reflect on the insights gained during your fasting period and think about how you can apply these lessons to your daily life. Each fasting experience is unique, and the insights you gain can offer valuable guidance for your ongoing journey. By addressing negative thoughts with compassion and reducing distractions, you create an environment conducive to connecting with your higher self. This mindful approach allows you to gain clarity and make more authentic decisions, ultimately leading to greater personal fulfillment. We hope this exploration has provided valuable insights into the practice of fasting and its potential to connect you with your higher self. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to show your support. Please take a moment to like this video, it really helps us know what content resonates with you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content that can assist you in your personal growth. Sharing is caring, so if you know someone who might benefit from this information, please share this video with them. Your recommendations help us reach more people who are interested in exploring similar topics. Additionally, engage with us in the comments section. Let us know how fasting has impacted your life or ask any questions you may have. Your feedback is incredibly valuable and helps us create content that meets your needs. Thank you for joining us today. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more content that inspires and supports your journey toward greater self-awareness and personal development.